Hi guys, today I came to the Retreat Resort in Matang area and it's looking fabulous. Lots of people are here and the area is really amazing. Looks good. It has places to take shower, take bath, and you can also do camping. You can see people are doing camping here, and there are resorts. You can book the hotel, you can stay here overnight, and it looks really beautiful. They've done the landscaping in an amazing way, and you can see people down there. They are taking shower, they are bathing, they are swimming, and this is the restaurant. You can see there's no people in the restaurant. Basically, this is, you can take whatever you want and you pay in the counter upstairs. And you can see there are a lot of people, a lot of guests, because it's weekend and it's looking gorgeous. People are bringing their food, they are doing barbecue. It's like a family gathering. If you like the jungles of Borneo, the mountains of Borneo, you can come and pay a visit. You'll love it.